In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subpage on Squarespace. Whether you're building a portfolio, designing a business site, or just organizing your content, subpages are an essential way to keep your website neat and user-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create and customize your own subpages with ease. And if you're new to Squarespace, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you prefer, you can use the Continue with Google option instead. Simply select the Google account that's linked to your Squarespace site, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. This option can save you time if you're already logged into Google. Once you're in your Squarespace account dashboard, look for your website in the list of sites. If you manage multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one. Click on the website to open its management interface, where you'll find all the tools you need to work on your pages. Next, locate the Pages menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you can view and manage all the pages on your site. Now, find the primary page under which you want to add your new subpage. A primary page is a main page on your site, such as About, Services, or Blog. To expand the section of the primary page you've chosen, click the small arrow next to it. This will reveal any subpages that are already grouped under it, as well as the option to add a new one. Expanding this section is important because it gives you a clearer view of the existing structure and where your new subpage will fit. Now look for the plus icon within the expanded section. Clicking this will allow you to start creating your new subpage. Depending on your Squarespace version, the plus icon might appear at the top or bottom of the subpage list, so don't worry if it's not immediately where you expect it. Just take a moment to find it. When you click the plus icon, Squarespace will present you with a selection of page types to choose from. You'll see options like a standard page, a blog page, or a portfolio page. Pick the one that best suits the content you have in mind. For example, if you're adding a gallery of your work, a portfolio page might be the best fit. If it's a page for regular updates or articles, go with a blog page. Take a moment to think about the purpose of your subpage before deciding. After choosing the page type, you'll be taken to the page editor. This is where you can customize your subpage to match your vision. Add text, images, and content blocks to build out the page. You can drag and drop elements to arrange them however you like. Be creative and make sure your design aligns with the rest of your site. Once you've finished customizing your subpage, it's time to make it live. Locate the Publish button, which is typically found at the top of the page editor. In some setups, it might be inside a settings menu instead. So check there if you don't see it right away. Click Publish, and your new subpage will officially be added to your website. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and customize a subpage on Squarespace. Adding subpages is a great way to keep your site organized and ensure your visitors can easily navigate your content. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on Squarespace features, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.